Hi guys, this is Jessie Kids. Welcome to my channel, and I'm inviting you to see the view from my window. At ayan na po siya! Luto na siya! And the crowd was cheering! Yay! Yay! Yan, luto na siya guys. So, if-flip na lang natin. So, I'm gonna use plate to flip it over. You wait until it cools down. Ganyan. Otherwise, you can do magic. Ay! Nawala, magic. Abracadabra, nasaan na ang ating fluffy cake? Tantanana! Wala lang, I just wanna make sounds. I don't know if this will help. Malaglag siya doon sa kawali. Anyways guys, if you can't, just do like this and then you wait for a bit. Perfect. You can put cheese on top and then ready to eat. Siya guys, pag hinati, o diba ganyan siya ka-thick. O diba? So this is my own version of a fluffy sponge cake. O diba? You don't need an oven. You can put cheese on top. Some other people also put banana before they put the butter. So it's up to you what you want to put. But this is just my plain and simple, soft, fluffy, famous cake! Kain na tayo! Ayan guys, nakagawa na naman tayo ng panibagong pagkain during this quarantine time. So you don't need oven, you just need the minimal ingredients. So that's it. Hope you have a great day. God bless everybody. I miss you munchkins. And see you all in the next vlog. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Click that subscribe button and the notification bell para alam nyo kung may bago kong upload.
I'll make a cup of coffee.